Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved logins from Facebook, security reset step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your computer. Log in to the account where you want to remove saved login information. Tap your profile menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll to Accounts Center and open it. Tap Password and Security to see login and protection options. Select where you're logged in to view all active sessions. Review the list and confirm which devices or browsers you do not recognize. Tap the session you want to remove. Choose Logout to remove that saved session from Facebook. Repeat the logout action for every device you no longer use. If you want to clear everything fast, tap Select Devices to log out. Choose Select All and then tap Logout to end all sessions. Go back one screen and open Login Alerts. Turn on alerts for notifications and email so you know when someone logs in. Return to Password and Security and tap Change Password. Create a strong new password that you have not used on other sites. Tap Save Changes to apply the new password immediately. When Facebook asks, choose to log out of other devices as part of the password change. Now remove saved logins on your own phone by opening your device settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Passwords, then search Facebook and delete saved entries if needed. On Android, open Chrome, go to Settings, then Password Manager, find Facebook, and delete saved password. If you use the Facebook app, go to its settings inside the app and check for saved login options. On the Facebook login screen, tap the three dots next to any saved account. Select Remove Account from this device to delete the saved login tile. If you use a shared computer, clear the browser's saved passwords and cookies for Facebook. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data, and confirm cookies and cache. Log back in once on your trusted device and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.